I wanted to become a doctor since probably grade school. Always was interested in science. Initially wanted to become a veterinarian, but decided that I'd rather work with patients who I could talk to a little bit easier. My name is Darren Schneider. I'm a vascular surgeon, and I'm the chief of vascular surgery and endovascular therapy at the University of Pennsylvania and in our Heart and Vascular Center. I was really drawn to vascular surgery. The patients and the disease process can be complex. The operations are challenging, but also, really artistic and demand some fine technical finesse. We basically treat vascular disorders all the way from the base of the skull down to the toes, so there's a lot of variety in terms of what we're dealing with and seeing. For me personally, my clinical focus has really been treatment of complex aortic aneurysms with innovative new technology, specialized custom-made stent grafts, and also treatment of patients with real limb-threatening arterial disease affecting their lower extremities, or peripheral artery disease, as the public may know it. At Penn here, we really have access to some unique, innovative new technology that can make these treatments less invasive, easier for patients to go through and to recover from, and also to achieve better outcomes as well. And so it really takes, looking at that individual, figuring out all the specific things that need to be addressed, and then also figuring out their vascular problem and the best and safest way to help them by treating it. Sometimes we help patients who are dealing with really difficult problems and get them through a complex operation, and that can be really gratifying. But unlike many other surgical specialties in vascular surgery, we also follow our patients basically forever. I get to know them, I get to know their families, and I think that kind of longitudinal continuity really makes it special as well.